It's been a month since I subscribed to Fenix Stream, but I still can't have it installed. It's so frustrating. I really should have read the online reviews of this cable service provider closely.
That's outrageous. It shouldn't take this long to get your cable TV set up. Have you tried the company's customer hotline?
Yeah, just this morning. But the agent said they no longer provide professional installation. Instead, a technician will guide me through the installation steps over the phone. That is just absurd.
Well, I've been telling you to switch to TickTV. It's an online streaming service, so no installation is required. It also offers a huge selection of on-demand programs. Here, let me write down its web address for you.